my tribe, my people. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and the bell sign for updates. Thank you so much for watching. This video is the backstory to the Grooving with Jaco by Daric Bennett video. The link to the original video is posted below. This is a melodic bass line. So it's a C groove, and I'm just riffing sixths. I'm sure you've practiced these before, different patterns, and you're good to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Just riffing on sixths. I was looking for bass grooves online. I was looking for people who were cool with collaborations. If I remember correctly, I stumbled on this channel, players with fluency and technical prowess. Unbelievable. That's where I first saw Daric. Long story short, I started bookmarking the videos that I thought I could at least try to play along in some way, because Daric just smokes. On one in particular, I practiced for like 2 weeks. I was like, you know what? I need to put this video down and go for something simpler and easier whilst working, you know, because there's no way I can practice 12 hours a day, 5, 6 days a week right now, one day, but not now. Shout Bass Shed from Bass Sessions Volume 3. I believe Sessions, the last word is with a Z. It's Justin Raines, Kenneth K. Bass Diggs, Alan Snoop Evans, and Daric Bennett on bass, all on bass, Terry Harris Jr. on organ, Fred Boswell Jr. on drums, mean rhythm section. So all these guys are highly decorated veterans of the gospel scene, which, as a lot of you know, features some monster players. So that's how I first came about hearing of Daric. I'm sure I'd heard his music because I listened to Praise on Sirius, but to actually see these guys behind the scenes, backstory, is wonderful. Anyway, so that's how I came about stumbling on Daric Bennett bass lessons. And here we are now. Some of you may be wondering why I use my, as opposed to, or maybe even the middle fingers. For whatever reason, it's a little easier, you know, so if I need to attack this way, go left. Feels a little more comfortable. It's weird. I only thought about this when I watched the playback. I was like, why are you using your little finger, your two last fingers, as opposed to? Should make sense, you know. But this, who knows? Self-taught, you know, whatever fits, so long as it sounds good to you, I guess you go for it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and the bell sign for updates. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and hit the bell sign if you enjoyed this video.